So this is some big news on Microsoft. We're just getting here. The Pentagon is announcing that Microsoft has won a contract to build more than 120,000 HoloLens augmented reality headsets for the U.S. Army. And this contract could be worth up to $22 billion over 10 years, a Microsoft spokesperson telling CNBC. Remember those standard issue HoloLens, they cost about $3,500, and the technology allows people to see holograms overlaid their real world environments. In addition to being able to use their hand and voice gestures, it has found use in the commercial sector from companies like Lockheed Martin and Airbus. Interesting to see how Microsoft has been winning and securing these military contracts. You all remember just a few years ago, they secured that nearly $500 million contract with the U.S. Army for headsets based on this same HoloLens technology. Of course, they won that $10 billion cloud computing contract with the Defense Department. They beat out Amazon. That's now tied up in courts. But now we have another one here. Again, the Pentagon saying Microsoft has won this contract to build 120,000 HoloLens AR headsets worth $22 billion over 10 years. Back to you all.
Josh, thanks so much for that.
Josh, we're seeing a reaction in the stock. Oh, I just have a quick question. Up 2.6%, Josh. So who are the big competitors when it comes to some of the technology players? I remember they fought Amazon so hard for that cloud contract, and Amazon, I think, challenged it, right, in court. Is that who their top competitor is when it comes to these kind of deals?
So that cloud computing contract, Jedi, was worth up to $10 billion. That has run into trouble with Amazon. They're fighting over that one in federal court. I think when you talk about competitors, why does this matter to investors here? It matters because a lot of technologists and a lot of big tech companies do believe that AR and VR is the next big important platform. They see that as the platform to watch post-smartphone, post-PC. It's why you see so many big tech companies putting so much money, time, and effort, everybody from Apple to Google, in this. And now Satya Nadella coming out and really shooting and scoring with this new contract. One wrinkle here would be to watch how do Microsoft employees feel about this. We have seen some pushback in the past. Some tech employees, including Microsoft employees, have said they're not always comfortable working with American military, with American warfighters, though Satya Nadella has said and told the press, listen, that is a role his company's going to keep playing. They're going to keep supplying technology to democratically elected governments, guys.
Josh, thanks so much. It's taking Microsoft's gains for the day up to 3% higher. Takes the NASDAQ composite above 2% of gains now as we speak.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.